आधे बाउल दही में 4 चम्मच MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला डाला, स्टर करो, पुदीना चटनी तैयार। MDH चटनी पुदीना मसाला।
From the Republic Media Network headquarters, it's time for the debate.
Show tonight at 8 p.m. BCCI lodges complaint with ICC over Pakistan cricketers' terror gestures. At 8:30 p.m., 15 students come out with horrific details of harassment and molestation, but the molester, fake Baba, is on the run. And at 9 p.m., was the Nepal Anarchy toolkit imported to Ladakh? Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I'm Sucharita Kukreti. Sunday's Asia Cup clash between India and Pakistan was never about cricket. It was about a terror state bowling and batting at the very nation it has repeatedly targeted with terror. I have stood firm on this since the very beginning. The match shouldn't have taken place in the first place. Yes, it did. And on the Dubai pitch, Pakistani players crossed all limits. Pakistani cricketer Sahibzada Farhan held his bat like a gun, while Haris Rauf mimicked a fighter jet crash and flashed the so-called 06, a direct reference to their false claims of downing our 6 fighter jets during Operation Sindoor. Now, you know what these gestures reflect. They reflect how deep terrorist ideology runs, not just in its politicians and power corridors, but also in Pakistan's cricket team. For anyone saying sports and politics must be separated or that art and terror act must be treated differently, look at these visuals. These visuals scream the real identity of Pakistan. Their identity is that of terrorists and jihadists, and there is no denying that. Now, India has filed an official complaint with the ICC demanding action against the Pakistan cricket team for reflecting their terror mindset on the pitch.
India and Pakistan faced off in the Asia Cup on 21st September, and from the very first ball, Pakistani players crossed the line. Pakistan cricketer Sahibzada Farhan held his bat like a gun. Another cricketer, Haris Rauf, celebrated a wicket with a fighter jet crash gesture and flashed 06. Now, 4 days later, India has filed an official complaint with the ICC against Pakistani cricket team. In retaliation, Pakistan lodged a bizarre complaint against Indian skipper Surya Kumar Yadav for dedicating India's win to the victims of Pahalgam terror attack and the armed forces. The PCB called it political. India won on the scoreboard, but off the field, the fight continues. Provocation crossed every line. With the ICC now involved, accountability is on the table.
And I'm joined by Major General G.D. Bakshi on the debate. I'm also joined by Rakesh Rao, who's a former sports editor of The Hindu, senior sports journalist. I'm joined by Irshad Ahmed Khan, who's the leader of the PMLN, and also Adnan Haider will join us, Pakistani journalist. He's there on the screen. Adnan Haider joins us on the debate. Now, let me begin with the kind of gesturing that was. And if I can just begin with you, Mr. Rao. I don't know. If I were a sports lover, I want to see pure cricket. I want to see pure sports on the field. But what was I seeing when I saw that India-Pakistan match? India is not wrong. BCCI is absolutely right in going to ICC and complaining about these gestures. I really do not know if they wanted to do a counter complaint by going to ICC about Surya Kumar Yadav. That is their prerogative. But what was at display on the cricket field that day, sir?
See, for me, I have maintained it from day one that India had no business to say yes when they went to the, for that Asian Council meeting, saying that we are agreeing to play in this year's Asia Cup. No business being there. Okay, that's my stand from day one. Number two, since you have said yes to the tournament, whatever be the compulsions, I maintain my stand that India had no business to go there. That's A. Now that you've gone there, there was a sentiment that now, since you have agreed to go and play, you go and play and win. Now, is there only one result possible? No. It's a field of play. Anything can happen. But a lot of Indians feel, because we are a stronger cricketing nation, we feel that we have chances to win. This has no connection with India going to this championship. Indians were the hosts. Now, India, as the host, had every right to decline to host it in 2025 and tell the ICC and the ACC that, listen, we are not going to host this tournament. We have nothing to do with it. You take whatever is the penalty, which the book or the rule book or the norm, whatever be the norms. We are staying away from this championship for reasons, whatever, but we are not going to host the championship. India didn't even do that. Now that things have reached a point where Pakistan is busy diverting the attention from their on-field failures to doing off-field antiques. And of course, they've succeeded in a in a huge way of diverting the minds of the Pakistani masses. That's saying that, look, this is what has happened just because Surya Kumar Yadav mentioned Operation Sindoor during the presentation ceremony of the first match. Now we have the license to say anything and do anything. But look at their antics. They are not saying, they're doing things. It is there for the world to see. Now, what happens is when a country like India goes and plays cricket with say, in a tournament like this, and also saying, it's not a bilateral one. We have had this stand for donkey's years now. But when you go and play, how will the world believe that this country, that you two are at war because you have agreed to go and play cricket with your enemy nation, so-called enemy nation? Now, the point here is, now that you go and complain, right? Now this is a never-ending thing. But the point is, why are we even engaging them on a field of play? Cricket in particular, because ours is a cricket-centric country. Pakistan it has only one sport left to talk about. So they will use this platform to say anything that they otherwise will not say. And I'll just add one more point here.
Right.
That India has maintained this stand for a very long time that let's go and isolate Pakistan at all international forums. This was one chance. How could you miss this? You could have just said, look, it's our tournament. We don't want to host it. Period. That's it.
Mr. Rao, I absolutely agree with you. And as you said, we played cricket. We were there to play cricket. We played cricket. And that is why we annihilated them. We showed the world who's the better cricketing side. They played terror on the field as well. And that is at display. That is on display there at the cricketing field. Now, Irshad, if I can ask you this, because you've been there, you've always said, why are the Indians trying to bring cricket and art alongside politics? Let's separate them. So who was bringing it back to the cricket field? Who was bringing it back? The Indian team was there playing cricket. What was your team doing? And that's precisely why that complaint against the Pakistani team. And I will be very happy if there is a ban against those cricketers, the ones who are gesturing that false propaganda.
देखिए, मैं समझता हूं कि पहले तो शुक्रिया आपका। मैं ये समझता हूं कि प्रोपेगेंडे के साथ आप अपना मजाक पूरी दुनिया में खुद से उड़ा रहे हैं। देखिए, खिलाड़ी जब जीतते हैं या हारते हैं, जब रन्स बनाते हैं, हर किस्म के एक्शन करते हैं। आप अपनी टीम की पूरी हिस्ट्री उठा करके देख लीजिए, कोई ना कोई इशारा, कोई ना कोई शरारत खिलाड़ी करते हैं। अगर हमारे खिलाड़ी ने ऐसे किया है किट 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 किट,
हाँ।
ये आपकी असेंबली में भी आपके एक एमएलए ने किया है, उसने खूब मजाक उड़ाया मोदी जी के सामने खड़े होकर के आपकी असेंबली में। आपका एक असेंबली का मेंबर कह रहा है कि किट 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 कैसे जहाज गिरा। अगर मेरे खिलाड़ी ने ऐसे इशारा किया, अगर मेरे खिलाड़ी ने ऐसे इशारा किया तो उसने गन नहीं उठाई।
सर जो गिराता है ना, सर जो गिराता है वो इशारा करता है, ये किट 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 जो आप बता रहे हैं ना इरशाद जी, जो गिराता है क्रिकेट के मैदान पर आपको गिराया, तो भारत की टीम अगर ये किट 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 करती ना सर, तो वो उन्हें सूट करता, क्योंकि उन्होंने आपको क्रिकेट के मैदान पर हराया।
देखिए
आप तो हारे, आप तो पिट गए वहां,
मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं,
यू लॉस्ट द मैच,
पूरी दुनिया के सामने मजाक।
मिस्टर इरशाद अहमद, you lost the match and you lost badly।
पूरी बात
आप किस चीज का किट 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 कर रहे थे?
पूरी दुनिया में आप अपना मजाक उड़वा रहे हैं खुद से।
और really?
इतने शौक से किसी ने नहीं देखना था जितने आपके शोर
इरशाद अहमद,
पूरी दुनिया में ये एक्शन देखा जा रहा है।
Which cricketing team lost the match that day?
ये एक्शन देखा जा रहा है,
इरशाद
दुनिया देख रही है। और
मैं तो आपको वही बता रही हूँ जो आप हमेशा कहते हैं। इरशाद अहमद, who won the match? Who won the India-Pakistan match?
देखिए बात मैच की जीतने
Who won the India-Pakistan match, Irshad Ahmed? Who won the match? I'm just asking you a simple question. Who won the match?
आप हिंदुस्तान मैच जीत गए।
हिंदुस्तान मैच जीता ना सर, तो वो जश्न भी मना रहा है, वो जश्न मना रहा था अपने बल्ले से। They were celebrating the victory by the runs they made. You were celebrating a loss by those gestures which have shamed an entire nation and the cricketing world. This is what cricket is about in Pakistan. And that is precisely why I say that this team is not worth playing. Major General Bakshi, I absolutely agree with you. You said it from day one. You said it from day one. And I think now is the time that they need to be isolated, annihilated, even on the cricketing pitch. Major General Bakshi. Major General Bakshi.
आपके चैनल पे
Major General Bakshi.
जनरल बख्शी भी अगर सच बोलेंगे।
सर उनका नाम है, आपका नहीं है ना, बोलने दीजिए उन्हें।
जरा थोड़ा एहतराम से मेरे को भी सुन लीजिए। थैंक यू। सुन लिया ना, सुन लिया, अब हमारी भी सुन लीजिए। देखिए, look, I have been saying from day one, this stupid cricket match should never have been played. We had no business playing this match with Pakistan, especially after we had lost 26 innocents in Pahalgam. And in what a gruesome way. It was staged as a bloody communal massacre. They asked the religion and they shot the father in front of the son. They shot the husband in front of the wife. In a gruesome act of terror with the depravity at the lowest human rung possible. This is worse. Animals don't behave this way. Right? So what I from day one was saying, we had no business to go there. And not only have we lost 26 people in Pahalgam, right? In the Operation Sindoor, 5 of our Jawans were martyred. About 40 civilians were killed by the Pakistani shelling and the infractious actions that they carried out. They couldn't hit any of our military bases. They couldn't hit any of our air bases. But they tried to take it out on the civilians near the LC, right? And about 40 were killed. A Gurudwara was hit, etc., etc. At the end of all that, this is the height of hypocrisy. To go and say blood and water will not flow, to go and say we will have nothing to do with Pakistan, and you promptly go and play a match ki hum unko loss ho jayega financial. To hell with your financial loss. Hell with your financial loss. A plague on this country and a plague on its stupid terrorist gangs and its army which is behind all this facade. Mr. Apne Maulana Asif Munir, he wanted a promotion. He wanted an extension. So he had a war stage. After that, you still want to play with them? I mean, you need your head examined. I have, and what did you expect when you went to play? This is the most stupid, sportsman country to really play with. They have no sportsman spirit. You saw
No
that people
sportsman spirit at
breaking
all.
their TV sets.
Yes.
Smashing and, doing a war dance on the television sets and losing, of course, on the ground. But that is small matter. You owe an apology to your people, those at least who have lost their loved
Playing
ones.
on the
Right?
losing
You owe
on
an
the
apology.
cricketing
The
field
country
and
owes an
losing-
apology. If
losing
South
on the
Africa, I'll just
battlefield as well,
finish.
sir.
I'll
Yes,
just finish.
please, sir. Go ahead.
We boycotted South Africa for 50 years. Why can't you boycott Pakistan for even 5 months? You couldn't hold on for 5 months also. 50 years we didn't play with South Africa. They are a worse nation as far as crimes against humanity are concerned. They are worse. Why do we have to play with them?
And they go ahead, sir, and they have filed a counter complaint against Surya Kumar Yadav because he mentioned and he said that this victory is for the people, for the martyrs of Pahalgam. Now they've gone and done a counter complaint because he never took any name, but they assume that it is a complaint against them, that he was pointing a finger at them for precise reasons, for obvious reasons. But what I'm going to ask you, Adnan, because since you're a journalist and I'm sure have been writing about the Pakistani team and the politics in the country, but don't you ever tell this team what sportsman spirit is about? They've complained against Surya Kumar Yadav, saying that there was no sportsman spirit at display. Listen to my question. What did the PCB say? They said no sportsman spirit was shown by Surya Kumar Yadav when he gave this victory away as a tribute to the martyrs. Was this sportsman spirit? What these clowns are doing on the field?
As per the definition of India, it is the sportsman spirit that in first time in the cricket history, a cricket team does not want to handshake with other team. You make the cricket politicized. You should know what is the definition of
because they were terrorists on the field, no? Adnan, who raises his bat like an AK-47 and then speaks after the match that I wanted to do that towards the Indian audience? Who says that? Who wants to make a bat as an AK-47 and point towards the Indian audience? No cricketer would do that. No cricketer would do that. Only a terrorist would do that. Who will do it? Who will do it? A terrorist would do it. Your bat is not your AK-47. Your bat is not an AK-47. AK-47 is used by a terrorist. You want your cricketers to be terrorists?
No.
Or
My
maybe
cricketers are not terrorists. Your Prime Minister is a terrorist.
No,
Who is the
Mr. Adnan, it is very clear who's being a terrorist on the cricketing field and and displaying terror in the country. Nobody has to be told. The entire world knows. Entire world knows, Adnan. And then you have the audacity to speak about cricket being separated from politics. You have the audacity to say that. आप स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट की बात भी कैसे कर रहे हैं अदनान? ये क्या कर रहे थे आपके ये क्रिकेटर्स? सो कॉल्ड क्रिकेटर्स नहीं है ये.
बोलो. मेरा जवाब चाहिए आपको?
जवाब देंगे.
मेरा जवाब चाहिए तो
बोलिए भाई.
अगर हिंदुस्तान के 5 राफेल गिरेंगे और वो पाकिस्तानी मिसाइल से गिरेंगे, अगर अदनान हैदर उसका इशारा करेगा तो वो टेररिज्म नहीं है. जनरल बख्शी से पूछिए कि हिंदुस्तान के जहाज पाकिस्तान गिराएगा, अदनान हैदर बैठ के अगर रिपब्लिक टीवी पे कहेगा ये राफेल, ये पाकिस्तानी मिसाइल टच, और वो गिर गया.
अच्छा,
टेररिज्म नहीं है.
अच्छा, अदनान तो वो क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं. अच्छा मुझे बताइए, तो वो क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं तो लेट आईसीसी डिसाइड. आपके क्रिकेटर सफाई देंगे अब आईसीसी के सामने जाकर बताएंगे, क्योंकि आपके तो ये साहिबजादे शहजादे जो भी हैं जिनको आप शाहजादा और साहिबजादा मानते हैं. अदनान लिसन टू मी, ये जाकर एक्सप्लेन करेंगे क्योंकि ये पहले क्रिकेट पर के मैदान पर ही बोल चुके हैं व्हाट ही मेंट बाय दोस जेस्चर्स. Now he'll have to concoct a story. He'll have to make a story, because what explanation will he give in front of ICC? He's already spoken about it on the field. He said, I wanted to point the bat like an AK-47 towards the Indian audience. Now say that. If you have the guts, say that in front of the ICC. If your players have the guts, speak that in front of the ICC officials. If your players players have the guts, speak that in front of the ICC officials. I am telling you, you will do a U-turn. Adnan, you will do a U-turn, just like you did over Pycroft. Your cricketers and your PCB will do a U-turn, just like you did over the match referee. Let me tell you. And I will not be surprised. I will not be surprised, Mr. Rao. Mr. Rao, they said we will not play with the Indian team. Because they will not, they said we will not have Pycroft as the match referee. Isn't that what they said? What were they told?
Exactly.
What were they told by the ICC?
They said as long as Andy Pycroft is not removed, we are not going to play the tournament. They
Why did they come back?
threatened to withdraw in the match against UAE. They reached late. They spent 1 extra hour.
Yes.
And finally, when Pycroft told them, listen, there was no apology. They tried to sell this story to their people that Pycroft apparently apologized. Why should he apologize? He is an ICC appointment. His job was to get the job done. He made it very clear that before the match started, he told the Pakistani representative, who was later sacked by Naqvi, he told them there will be no handshake. It's very clear there was no handshake. And why is Pakistan making a big deal of the Indian team not shaking hands at the end of the match? They very well knew it. Just because the man didn't convey it to the team and now they are, shifting the blame on India. Completely ridiculous. And the guy was sacked by themselves. So they are not talking about it. They have sacked a man because they know that they had an incompetent man in place. So Naqvi sacked him. Now the entire focus is they are not shaking hands with us. Why should we shake hands with a country with which we have been perpetually at war? And just a few months back, we have had Pahalgam, we have had Operation Sindoor, which our union minister, one of the union ministers says, Operation Sindoor is still on. And then they say, why are we shaking hands? Now, they say that if we claim that we have brought down a Rafale and we are trying to show that here is our missile, here is your Rafale, and the plane comes down, that is not politics. Why are you bringing it to this one? It's a terrorist activity. What you are doing on field by showing an assault rifle on the Indian audience, it is completely ridiculous.
Mr. Rao, they need to be told. I don't know why Adnan is not realizing this, but who said we will not play with the UAE till the match referee is changed, is removed? भाई कहा था कि नहीं कहा था? कहा था कि नहीं कहा था? नो कहा था कि नहीं कहा था? भाई कहा था कि नहीं कहा था? फिर वापस आ गए आप खेलने, फिर आप वापस आ गए, आपको लगा पैसा तो दे नहीं सकते तो वापस आ गए. Now this is the embarrassment that the team has faced. They don't want to tell this to their people. Their people know. The cricketing fans in Pakistan know this. They did a U-turn. Now they'll have to do a U-turn again, is what I'm saying. Because this man, this cricketer, so-called cricketer, he has confessed on the ground what he wanted to do with his bat. He said, I wanted to pose it like a gun to the Indian audiences. What I'm saying, Mr. Rao, and I'm very clear, there is no going back on it. Now, they will have to concoct some tales in front of the ICC. Will they have the guts to accept this? Mr. Rao, if you can tell me, can they say this to the ICC officials?
They have made taking U-turns as their habit. Right from the moment, now just go back in cricketing history. Just go back. Who gave this world the, all this thing about, ball tampering? It was Pakistan. Match fixing, Pakistan. You go and see what Imran Khan had to say years ago. He says, when we play against India, it is jihad for Kashmir. These are the words of your ex-prime minister. So these are all part of history. We don't have to manufacture any of these. You know it for good. But the point is, you will take a U-turn tomorrow. You say that if India doesn't come to Pakistan, we will not travel to Pakistan. Every single time you have come to India. Why do you do that? When you take a stand, stick to it. But you will not do that because you say, ICC will slap us a ban of X amount. This time you were in the danger of not only being paid 15 million, which is given to a full nation of the ICC, you would have been fined over and above that. Just because you couldn't take the financial hit, you shifted the blame on Andy Pycroft, who made it very clear that if you continue with this line, I'll take you to court. He would have sued the PCC for contempt.
And now they will have to reply to the ICC.
Let's stick to the facts.
on what that gesturing meant. And I do not know, Irshad ji, what is the kind of explanation that your team cricketers will have to give in front of ICC. But it is very clear that when you say, when your sportsmen can tie a black band for Palestine on the sports field, Indians cannot be putting their victory, dedicating their victory to Pahalgam, and you call that a political move? I am sorry, but I think there is something seriously wrong with your understanding of sports and your understanding of what it means to be, what it is to have a political statement. इरशाद जी,
देखिए मैं आपसे अर्ज करूंगा, देखिए शोर डालने का पता है, जितना शोर आपके प्रोग्राम में हो रहा है समझ नहीं आ रही है, जनरल साहब को भी समझ नहीं आ रही थी, मुझे भी समझ नहीं आ रही थी आप लोग क्या करना चाह रहे हैं। देखिए पहलगाम एक आपका सियासी इशू है जो कि आपकी हुकूमत ने बनाया, किसी ने नहीं बनाया, ना ही आज तक वो साबित कर सके कि वो दहशतगर्द कौन थे, कहां से कहां गए, ये मैं हर प्रोग्राम में आपके पूछता हूँ। दूसरी बात, ये जो खिलाड़ियों ने इशारे किए हैं इसको इतना एक्सट्रीमिस्ट मत बनाइए, इतने एक्सट्रीम पर मत लेकर के जाइए। ये इशारा कोई ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि उन्होंने हारिस रऊफ ने या उन्होंने फरहान ने वहां जहाज गिरा दी और गोलियां चला दी मैदान में। वो खुशी का इजहार है, आप जितने आपकी खुशी मनाने चले, आप ये समझ लीजिए कि आपकी जीत की खुशी का जश्न हमारे खिलाड़ी मना रहे हैं, तो आप खुश हो जाइए। आप ना कि उसको इतना एक्सट्रीम पे लेकर के जा रहे हैं कि जैसे गोलियां चलाई आपके जहाज गिरा दी मैदान में। ऐसा कुछ हम हारे, हमने हार को भी बड़ी खुशी से जश्न मनाया, चले ये समझ लिया हमने हार को तस्लीम किया इज्जत एहतराम के साथ। लेकिन आप जीते, आप जीत करके ऐसा जश्न मना रहे हैं कि जैसे कि पता नहीं क्या तबाही हो गई है, हिंदुस्तान में कौन सा जलजला आ गया, कौन से लोग मर गए, कौन सी तबाही मच गई। देखिए पहलगाम
सर, जलजला तो क्रिकेटिंग पिच पर आया जब हमने आपको बुरी तरह से पीटा, जलजला तब था।
आप देखिए
हम क्रिकेट का जवाब क्रिकेट से देते हैं और आतंकवाद का जवाब हम ऑपरेशन सिंदूर से देते हैं। ये बात आप अच्छी तरह से गांठ बांध लीजिए। प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस मेजर जनरल बख्शी, आई एम वेरी क्लियर ऑन दिस। क्रिकेट का मैदान पे क्रिकेट का जवाब,
इरशाद साहब,
टेररिज्म का जवाब ऑपरेशन सिंदूर से।
बार
मेजर जनरल
आप बार पहलगाम का जिक्र कर रहे हैं।
इरशाद साहब, अब जरा आप भी एहतराम से सुने। आपने अभी एहतराम की मांग करी थी, एहतराम से सुनिए। देखिए मैं कहना चाहता हूं, जहां तक वो टेररिस्टों का सवाल है कि कौन थे क्या थे, मार डाले। जो गुज्जर गाइड उनको लेके गए थे पहलगाम, वो भी पकड़े गए, उन्होंने कंफर्म किया कि वही मारे हैं। ठीक है, तो ये कहानी प्लीज अब थोड़ी आप बंद कर दीजिए, आउट ऑफ डेट हो गई है, घिसी पिटी है। आपके जो साथी थे यहाँ पे पाकिस्तान से, वो कह रहे थे कि हमने 6 रफाल गिराए। उस एंगेजमेंट में हमारे केवल 2 जहाज गिरे थे और आपके गिरे हैं टोटल 19 जहाज, 6 हवा में 13 ग्राउंड पे। ठीक है, आपको जश्न मनाना इस चीज का मना लीजिए। आपका नूर खान का कमांड पोस्ट धज्जियां उड़ गई है। आपने वहां पे जो लाशें थी वो भी नहीं निकाली, वो डोजर चला के आपने गाड़ दिया उनको कि दुनिया को पता ना चल जाए। मुरीद का एयरबेस कभी जाके देखिए, बोलिए अपनी पाकिस्तान एयरफोर्स को कि साहब हमको टूर करा दीजिए, हमारे बच्चों को दिखा दीजिए कितनी बहादुरी से आप जहां से लड़े थे। नूर खान का एयरबेस, कमांड पोस्ट तबाह। ठीक है, आपका मुरीद का एयरबेस, कमांड पोस्ट, ड्रोन कमांड पोस्ट इल्ले, खत्म, खलास। आपके जकोबाबाद, रहीम यार खान, सरगोदा, सारी एयरफील्ड्स क्रेटर्ड, बोलारी, सकूर, हैंगर्स उड़ा दिए, जहाज अंदर एवैक, जहाज अंदर F-16। अरे साहब, आप अपनी गिनती कर लीजिए जो आपकी फौज छुपा रही है।
I think the kind of beating they are getting at home for losing the match,
आपके मुल्क में बाहर आएगा।
We don't even have to say much. I think the team, the kind of beating they are getting at home from cricketing fans is enough for them. They need to realize, and so many of them I was listening to, they were saying that we've not sent them to do these cheap tactics, these cheap gestures. They should be winning the game for the country, and that is something they've completely flopped at. Thank you so much to all of you for joining me on this debate, and it's very clear that this country called Pakistan needs to be annihilated on the cricketing field and also on the battlefield.
ये है सीक्रेट रेसिपी MDH का जीरा सिप जल जीरा मसाला।
सिप सिप जीरा सिप MDH का जल जीरा और जीरा सिप MDH का जल जीरा जीरा सिप